Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is a unique one, and it is for all those people who are tired of snoring and are looking for some natural ways to reduce it. We will be discussing the benefits of yoga in reducing snoring, and some specific yoga poses that you can practice regularly to reduce snoring. Let's get started. What is snoring, and how does it affect us? Snoring is a common condition that affects almost everyone at some point in their lives. It is caused by the vibration of the soft tissues at the back of the throat during sleep. Snoring can be harmless, but it can also be a sign of an underlying health condition, such as sleep apnea, which can lead to serious health problems if left untreated. How can yoga help reduce snoring? Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India and is now popular all over the world. It is known to have many health benefits, including reducing snoring. Yoga can help reduce snoring by strengthening the muscles in the throat and improving breathing. Yoga poses to reduce snoring. 1. Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana is a yoga pose that stretches the chest and strengthens the muscles in the back, shoulders, and neck. It also improves breathing and reduces snoring. To do this pose, lie flat on your stomach with your palms on the floor under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your head and chest off the floor, using your back muscles. Hold the pose for a few breaths and then exhale and lower your body back to the floor. 2. Ushtrasana, Camel Pose. Ushtrasana is a yoga pose that stretches the chest and improves breathing. It also strengthens the muscles in the back, shoulders, and neck, reducing snoring. To do this pose, kneel on the floor with your knees hip-width apart and your hands on your hips. Inhale and lift your chest up towards the ceiling, arching your back. Hold the pose for a few breaths and then exhale and release. 3. Singhasana, Lion Pose. Singhasana is a yoga pose that stretches the face and throat muscles, reducing snoring. It also relieves tension and stress in the face and neck. To do this pose, sit cross-legged on the floor with your hands on your knees. Inhale deeply and then exhale, sticking your tongue out as far as you can and making a ha sound. Hold the pose for a few breaths and then release. 4. Nadishotna Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing. 4. Nadishotna Pranayama, alternate nostril breathing, is a breathing exercise that helps to clear the nasal passages and improve breathing. It also calms the mind and reduces stress, which can contribute to snoring. To do this exercise, sit comfortably with your spine straight and your eyes closed. Place your right thumb on your right nostril and inhale through your left nostril. Then, close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril and then close it with your right thumb. Exhale through your left nostril. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. Fish pose, Matsyasana. The next pose we will be demonstrating is fish pose. This pose can help to open up the chest and improve breathing. To do fish pose, start by lying on your back with your arms at your sides. Place your hands under your hips, palms facing down. Inhale and lift your chest up, keeping your head on the ground. Hold the pose for a few breaths, then release and repeat 3 to 5 times. Plow pose Halasana. The third pose we will be demonstrating is plow pose. This pose can help to open up the throat and improve breathing. To do plow pose, start by lying on your back with your arms at your sides. Inhale and lift your legs up over your head, keeping them straight. Place your hands on your lower back for support. Hold the pose for a few breaths, then release and repeat 3 to 5 times. Seven-dot triangle pose Trikonasana. The sixth pose we will be demonstrating is triangle pose. This pose can help to open up the chest and improve breathing. To do triangle pose, start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Turn your left foot out 90 degrees and your right foot in 45 degrees. Extend your arms out to the sides, then bend to the left, reaching your left hand down to your ankle and your right hand up to the ceiling. Hold the pose for a few breaths, then release and repeat on the other side. Shavasana, corpse pose. Shavasana is a yoga pose that is done at the end of a yoga practice to relax the body and mind. It can also help to reduce stress and improve sleep quality, which can reduce snoring. To do this pose, lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides and your palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax. Thanks for watching.